Good morning guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video we're going to rip the doors off. We're going to finally install the door mirrors that I've been talking about for a while. Let's do a quick unboxing. We're going to install the mirrors and then we're going to bring the Jeep to the beach. Okay guys, so the mirrors I ended up going with are made by a company called Kickbacks Off-Road. Their website is literally right there on the box, www.kickbacksoffroad.com. The website will also be in the description below. This product was actually recommended by one of my subscribers, and I want to definitely give him a shout out. If I can't show it on camera, I'll just shout out the person's name. Here it is. Sherman Trucker 3 weeks ago said, check out Kickbacks Off-Road. In this video, I specifically mentioned what I was looking for, and I wanted door mirrors, but I wanted mirrors that I can install without using any tools. So I want something that could just kind of slide into the door hinges and be done with it. All right guys, this is what's included in the box. You got 2 mirrors. Man, I think it's very clever the way these guys came up with this product idea. And this is the device that's gonna pretty much just slide into the door hinges. And then it has this little latch that's gonna tie onto the door latch. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about in a second. Obviously we got 2 of them, 1 for each side. So let me first go ahead and attach those mirrors to the base and we'll install them on the Jeep. I forgot, I gotta take the doors off. All right, so this is the first time my Jeep has been actually completely naked. I don't know, I might be a little biased, but I think it looks pretty badass. So now we gotta install these mirrors, and then we're gonna head down to the beach, test out the mirrors, make sure they're good. And I'll give you guys my honest opinion on the brand new Kickbacks Off-Road mirrors that I got from my JK. These mirrors are also available for the brand new JL Wrangler. So I ended up thinking I'm gonna install the bracket first, and then I'll attach the mirrors once the bracket is in place. This way I know how to position my mirrors. So should be pretty simple, I believe. Let's line these up. This bracket right here is going to get secured by the bracket that holds the strap for your door, which is right over here. Lean it all the way to the back. Once you do that, you're supposed to lift it up and it should just fall into place. Let's see. All right guys, let me kind of zoom in a little bit. I just want to show you what's going on. So this is the bracket on my stock Jeep, right? So this is the bracket that comes with the Jeep. This is where the strap for the door just kind of clips on. So on my Jeep, this bracket right here was kind of bent a little forward. It's probably from the door swinging out and pulling on it, nothing major. I went ahead, I just used a screwdriver to kind of push it. And now you see that the bracket falls into place behind it. And this thing is completely solid, completely solid. And this also acts as a foot peg, so you can put your foot right here while you're driving, and your mirror is going to get attached right over here. But again, the main point of me getting these mirrors was just because they literally slide into place. Once they slide into place, you're going to put this little tab behind the bracket and you're ready to go. Once you install the mirrors the first time, you're never going to have to do that again. Okay guys, here's the mirror. Right now I have the screws a little bit loose. So once I figure out how I'm going to adjust it, then there's just 2 screws you got to tighten. And these are the 2 screws that are right here. These 2 screws, you loosen them up, you position the mirror however you want them, tighten them back down, the mirror's not going to go anywhere. This nut right here, once it's attached, you're not taking that off anymore either. So pretty much once you install this the first time and you get the mirror position perfect, you will be good to go, and it should just be a matter of sliding it in. That's what she said. Because of the offset that I'm running on the tires, my tires tend to kick up a lot of sand. I have a feeling that the whole back seat of my Jeep is going to be filled with sand, probably some in the front too, but good thing we did a review on the best car detailing vacuum maybe about a week ago or a few days ago. So we may have to use that vacuum on the next video. I had to also buy some accessories for that vacuum, so stay tuned for that next vacuum video because the accessories I got are a complete game changer when it comes to detailing the interior of your vehicle. I'll tell you this, the next time I order another Jeep Wrangler, an additional Jeep Wrangler I should say, because we're never going to sell this one. The next time that comes, I will definitely order the cloth seats and immediately order custom leather for the Jeep. I will never pay Jeep again to install those plain looking leather seats that they like to install. Not only that, it's almost the same price as buying leather from the factory. The only difference is you could actually get your own aftermarket leather that's going to look so much nicer.
Perfect.
Now, I don't know what the case is with other products, but I can definitely tell you with this product, I don't have that shakiness problem where I can't use the mirrors. The mirrors are perfectly fine with these in the hinges. And again, it's secured by this little piece over here on the bottom. I gotta say, I definitely give the product 2 thumbs up. If you're looking for some door mirrors, I would definitely check out Kickbacks Off-Road, and the link to this product is in the description below. Anyway guys, let's head to the beach right now.
Perfect.
That was that best top that I was telling you guys about before. The slant back looks really nice on the soft top. That's the only soft top I would rock on my Jeep if I was going to use a soft top. But I got the Top Lift Pro, so between the Top Lift Pro and the next mod coming for the Jeep, I don't need that for the slant back look. I already got it. Shot a couple of videos early this morning, and when I get home, I got more videos I got to film before we put everything back on the Jeep. If you want a little comparison between a JK and a JL. Water's actually still pretty cold. Today we're at a different beach. I'm at Smith Point Beach in Long Island, New York. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell icon so you can sign up for notifications. As always, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.